Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Gavin, and this is Noah. Today we're bringing you a special weather alert report on tornadoes, also known as twisters.
That's right, Gavin. Tornadoes are some of those powerful storms on Earth. But how do they actually start? Let's go to Sage at the science.
Thanks, Noah. Think of a tornado like a giant spinning straw made of wind. It's a funnel that stretches from a dark storm cloud all the way down to the ground.
So it's all about the air, right?
Exactly. Tornadoes usually happen when warm, wet air from the ground bumps into cold, dry air from the sky. When they mix, it starts to spin faster and faster.
Now back to our home state. A lot of people think California is safe because of its mountains. Is that true, Noah?
Actually, that's a weather myth. Even though we have mountains, California still gets about 11 tornadoes a year. They're usually smaller than the ones in the Midwest, but they still happen.
Wait, don't the mountains block
Great question. People used to think mountains were like a shield, but scientists have seen tornadoes climb over hills and even high mountains. Nothing can really stop a tornado
Because
once
they're
it starts.
so strong, they can be dangerous to houses, trees, and even big buildings. In flat places like Kansas, Oklahoma, you can see them coming for miles because there's nothing in the way. But tornadoes can happen in all 50 states.
So when should we be on the lookout?
Right now, it's tornado season. It's usually between March and June. That's when the weather changes the most, creating the perfect ingredients for the
It's good to know
tornado.
the facts so you can stay prepared.
That's our report for today. For Mana, Noah, Emily, and Sage, I'm Gavin, signing out.